guys, Quick Toys. I am unboxing my subscription boxes, and next up is GlossyBox, so let's go. The one thing I really love about GlossyBox is the presentation. It just looks lovely. They really do an excellent job with that. You get a ribbon, we save the ribbons. If we can peel the sticker clean, she likes the sticker, my ladybug. And they really do a good job with showing you what you have and how to use it. Ooh, I like that lipstick. Let's check it out. She's playing with her Monster High dolls, so that's what's so gorgeous. Which one are you playing with? That looks good.
I'm playing with the Gracie Fusion doll.
Oh. Retexturizing gel.
Gorgeous.
She's gorgeous. Yeah. Glam Glow. That's an excellent question. Well, it's sealed, first of all. Oh my. That's not a bad color. And for my pale self, let's see.
That's a new thing when you do makeup.
Mint oil. Interesting. Good cleanser. And, oh, that's a retexturizing gel. Haha. Let's see what that looks like. I did the wrong one. Just a scrub. Let's check this out. Is that a nice looking package? I love it. I love it. Perfect. Boy, is that lovely. I really like that. Let's put that there. Turn you around. And then, put over heels nail lacquer. I know a certain 4-year-old that will love that. Not my favorite color. It's a little orange for me. I have too much pink in my skin for that. Well, that's what we get. A wash, gel, really pretty lipstick. Thanks guys so much for watching. I'd love it if you subscribe. I have like 4 more to open. Thanks, bye.